Welcome back. They're local, they're a family business, and they are taking care of your biggest investment, your home. Boy, this wet spring has revealed a lot of cracks and problems in area homes. Frontier Foundation and Crawl Space Repair is to the rescue. We've got COO Dustin Gebers with us. Good to have you here.
Thanks for having me this
I
afternoon.
know it's been a busy season for you guys.
It is really busy right now.
Truly, I can understand it's been so wet. Let's talk about all the work that you guys do and how you guys are different from other companies.
Yeah, well, we're a family-owned and operated company, and we've been in business for 22 years. We take care of everybody from Kentucky, Tennessee, and Alabama. And what really separates us is, we're still a family-owned and operated company. We haven't sold out to, any larger companies. We are here to stay. So.
And you're taking care of neighbors,
We
literally
are.
neighbors.
Yes.
I mean, you've been in this community, you know this community. Talk about the variety of the work that you do, and of course, we're going to get into that wet weather stuff as well.
Yeah, so we take care of foundation repair. We fix cracks, unlevel floors, sticking doorways. We take care of crawl space issues, obviously water and basement waterproofing. I mean, we are the all things basement-y company, so.
All things basement-y. I mean, I'm putting it in your brain because we love it so much. It's a good slogan. Talk about waterproofing those basements, and so many people with this wet weather. The impact of this spring has been on a lot of homes.
Yeah, so with all this wet weather that we've been having, so other than, looking at standing water inside of your basement or your crawl space, the water can be really intrusive and can wash soil away, which can cause foundation problems. It can also expand soils and can cause cracks and those kinds of things. So those might be things that homeowners are starting to see now that are kind of a byproduct of what happened just this last week.
So what would be a signal that maybe you say, okay, when you have had a problem, you've got an obvious problem, but what's maybe a signal that you go, ooh, that might be time to get a consultation of whether you need something?
Well, with everything warming back up, a lot of times you're maybe noticing a smell inside of your home that wasn't there before, and that could be coming from the basement or the crawl space. It could be mold or mildew or something like that that's starting. You may notice some wavy floors. Maybe the floors are starting to cup and bow, and doors and windows that are sticking and not working properly. We're here to fix those problems.
Okay, they make the call, go onto the website. What happens next, and how do you guys sort of handle it once people reach out and get the ball rolling?
Well, when you give us a call, a real person is going to be able to answer the phone. So we love that.
That's not
company.
A small thing either, right? Yeah, someone actually picks up.
Yeah, a real live person will be there. We're going to schedule somebody to come out and give you a consultation and figure out what's wrong with your home. We're not there to pitch anything or sell anything to you. We're just there to really take a look at the house, let you know what's going on, and let you make the decision. You
mentioned it's a family affair. Can you tell us a little bit about your parents?
Well, I love my parents to death, and working with a family is not always easy, but my dad has been a licensed general contractor now for over 50 years, and we love taking care of people in this area.
Well, we're glad that you're here. We trust the work that you guys do. You also have a special offer, so this is a great promotion that you have going on to help people who maybe you've said to yourself, I knew I needed to get the work done, but now I really need to get the work done. $500 off.
Yeah, so we're offering $500 off of concrete repair. So summer's around the corner, people are getting ready to open up their pools. But if you're noticing any, concrete that's unlevel or cracks in your driveway or stoops that may be settling, we're here to fix those problems. And so right now we're offering $500 off to be able to fix that.
Special promotion, $500 off concrete repair project. Go to trustfrontier.com. Give them a call for the free estimate, 615-269-7772. All things basement-y. Thanks so much. Good to have you here.
Thanks for having me.